Please check whether the parking air conditioner and mounting kits are complete before installation. It needs to mark and measure the top and inside to make the size of the hole needed for truck models without sunroofs. Cut the sunroof for cooling to the marked line using an angle grinder. After cutting, the lining plate needs to be cut. Use a towel to clean the area around the sunroof. Stick the waterproof sponge strip along the opening. Overlapping the waterproof sponge strips is beneficial to the interface. Then apply glass waterproof glue along the outside of the sponge strip. Glass waterproof glue needs to be applied at the 45 angle, inside the sponge strip, and on the top to prevent water seepage and leakage. Take out the culprit nuts and install them on the corresponding holes of the air conditioner. Place the air conditioner on the top of the truck where there is an opening. Then cut 4 holes in the top lining of the car to place the fixing brackets. Install 4 identical screws as shown in the figure. Place the bracket into the hole and use the screws to install and fix the bracket. Fix the air conditioner on the roof. Screw in the culprit nut already installed on the air conditioner. Then take a 150 mm long double head screw and be sure to tighten the screw to avoid water leakage. Then install the mounting cover and tighten the screws. The power cord is connected to the battery cable. The power cord cannot be extended. If it needs to be extended, a power cord of the same diameter needs to be extended. Turn on the air conditioner and test in the cab.